Okay, I just want to show you how to create percentage calculator in Visual Basic, Visual Studio 2017. So you go to create project, then you select Windows Forms app, then you type the say percentage calculator, percentage calculator. Percentage calculator. Okay, they're saying the project cannot be created because another project was created. Okay, so we say percent calculator. There is another project which was created here called percentage calculator. So create percent calculator. Okay, so the project is being created in Visual Studio 2017. Project is being created in Visual Studio 2017. Okay, so let me extend my form. Then I'll select button, this button. Okay, so this button, I'll name this button as compute percentage. Okay, then I need to have a label here. I'll name this label as X. Another label here, I'll name this label as Y. Okay, so this label, let me put this label here, and this label, so this is okay, this label here. Okay, this label here. Okay, let me have another, like to have another label here, label 3. Label 3 will be named as P. So label 3 will be named as P. Okay, then I need also to have a text box. I need to have a text box here, so I'll put my text box here. Then another text box, that is text box 2. I'll put another text box here. Then I would like also to have another text box, so I'll put another text box here. Okay, let me do this. Okay, so what I would like to do is I need to reduce the size of the form. Okay, then I go to font size. Now on properties, you go to properties, then choose font size. I need to change my font to point 16. I need to change my font to size 16 in bold, then size 16. Okay, here is my form. My form is now ready. Okay, here's my form. Then click on button 1, that is calculate or compute button, then enter the following sets of code. You say dim, you need to declare the variables dim x y as single, then dim dim p as double, then dim p has double. Then after that, then what to be stored in x. Okay, so we say x is equal to value in text box 1, value in text box, say value text box 1 dot text, value text box 1 dot text. Then y is equal to value text box 2 dot text. Okay, then p, how do you calculate for percentage? So you say, let's say if you have the first number, that is x, then you have another number, that is y, then you want to calculate the percentage of x in y, percentage of x in y. So to calculate the percentage of x in y, we do this. So you say x, a mathematical equation, x divided by y times 100. It's just the usual mathematics, times 100. Then you say, so meaning text box 3 would display text box 3 dot text is going to display, or to display the and to display the values in p, the values of p. Okay, so we need to round off, we need to provide a code to round off the percentage. So we say in Visual Studio, Visual Basic Net, to round off you say mat dot round, then p, variable p, comma 2. So to be rounded to 2 decimal places, we want to round off this to 2 decimal places. Our percentage be rounded off to 2 decimal places. Okay, then we can save this now. I think the program is laid now to compile and run. Let's run this and see. We learn this and see what is happening. We learn this and see what is happening. Okay, it is learning. We learn this and see what is happening in this program. Program is learning. The code is learning. App is learning. Visual Studio 2017. Visual Studio 2017. Visual Basic Net Windows Forms application. Okay, let's say this is students got 40 out of 60. Maybe net tests 40 out of 60. Then what is the percentage of 40 out of 60? We want to know the percentage of student marks. So you calculate the percentage of the student mark. You click on compute. Okay, so this is the percentage of this student mark. So the percentage is 66.67. So meaning this student got 66.67%. 66.67%. There you have it. This is how you create an application in Visual Studio under Visual Basic Windows Forms application, Visual Basic Net Windows Forms application. Okay,